The truth finally out as Nnamdi Kanu gives reasons why his lawyer shouldn't accept the condition of the court for his final verdict. This happened yesterday. Anyway, there was a negotiation going on yesterday in between Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer and the presiding judge, Justice Nyako. Do you understand? I said it yesterday that what are they both going to discuss? Why are they both negotiating? What are they negotiating about? Has Justice Binta Nyako joined the caucus of the federal government, or is he now dancing to the tune of the federal government? I asked that question yesterday. You understand? And on your own side, if you look at it very well, you see that there is no reason why there should be any negotiation between Justice Nyako and Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer. You understand? What is expected of Justice Nyako is to act based on the already compiled information. You understand now? There shouldn't be any addition or subtraction or any foul play or unfairness while pronouncing the final verdict. Because in this very case, a lot of things are going to be happening. The truth concerning the extradition of Nnamdi Kanu we set out. The real involvers, those who truly extradited Nnamdi Kanu, those who happens to be the ones behind the extradition and who actually planned it, we set out. A lot of things will be setting out. That reminds me of one traditional leader who said that this very trial of Nnamdi Kanu is going to expose the truth about Nigeria. Then this Nobel laureate Wole Soyinka also said that the greatest mistake that Buhari will ever make is to allow Nnamdi Kanu's trial to be possible. And Buhari has already made that mistake. He has made that mistake. Let's quickly look into the content. It's becoming very interesting that Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, has turned down the quest of the courts. He said that it can never be possible for him to turn down the already concluded trial. Nnamdi Kanu said that for a very long time I tried staying away from the decision of the court, but the federal government has requested that I face justice. I am not afraid of justice, neither am I afraid of whatever the justice is going to bring out at last. I am only after the law and what the law is going to bring out. It is impossible because I have gone far in this very trial. He said that Justice Binta Nyako for so long has been a fair judge in this very trial and shouldn't do anything to jeopardize or stain the very system that she has been following from the onset. It said that nothing will stop him from seeing this very trial to an end. The federal government has jeopardized his happiness, has abused the movement for the indigenous people of Biafra. So, he will make sure that he expose the truth and make the world to know that truly that this is what the indigenous group is actually out for. Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer said that yes, is in support of the opinion of the IPOP leader that nothing should be allowed to set in or jeopardize the already concluded trial. Justice Binta Nyako, who is standing as a final and presiding officer of this very trial, concurred. Justice Binta Nyako doesn't have a choice. She doesn't have a choice. You understand? Why do I say so? I said so because, you see, Justice Binta Nyako is a presiding officer. She's a presiding officer. She should not be in support of these people, and should not be in support of these people. She is supposed to be at the middle to weigh the two information and see the particular people that it's supposed to favor. She must not be biased in any way. You see, the biggest mistake Justice Binta Nyako will ever do in life is to allow the federal government to push her or make her do what is not in the content of the law, or make her to go outside what has already been compiled during this trial. See, this reminds me of what the UK Parliament told her to say when they said that the biggest mistake that she will ever make is to give unfair pronouncements. Because why did they say? They know that Nigerian governments are very good in something of this kind, and that is why they quickly came for intervention. The same thing the UK commissioner said. The UK commissioner also said something of that such, warning Nigerian government, giving them 1 month ultimatum to conclude this very trial, that this delay is for a purpose. You understand? So I am telling you this because Nnamdi Kanu, I will tell you, has just made a very good decision. That decision is a welcomed idea, and a welcomed one. You understand? Will I tell you that Nnamdi Kanu reasons like a lawyer? That is why I do tell people that it's not only